last forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
My Virgos, how are you guys doing? I welcome you back to Soul Star. My new joiners, hello, how are you? My old joiners, thank you so much for being here with me. And today we are here to do the reading for my Virgos, okay? So take it as it resonates, whichever part of the world you're in. Whenever this reading attracts to you, talks to you, there's always something in this reading for you. All my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look and do like and subscribe, okay? All my information, as I said, is down below, and I do not offer personal readings as of now. So Virgos, what do you need to see for the upcoming week in August 2021 in love, career, whichever done? Keep in mind this is a general reading. Do watch your sun, moon and rising, okay? They tell me to stay in balance, Virgos, for you guys. Stay in balance, Virgos. I see a seesaw, okay? And I see two girls taking it. So they're showing me balance for you. What do we need to see for Virgos? Material for the highest good. What do we need to see? Oh, we have the Queen of Swords, Virgos, which is the core energy, okay, which is air energy, and it's followed by the Four of Swords, okay. So it is about truth, it is about authenticity, it's about all which is air, right, which you cannot cage. So it's a lot to do about saying the way you see things with the moon. Of course, yeah. Something has been really disturbing you. It's also about, maybe, if you talk about the other side, it could be about your creative abilities that you're facing a block with that. For some, it's also about organizing yourself really, knowing your priorities really well, trying to assess and figuring out with the Queen of Swords and the Four of Swords, assessing as to what are your priorities, how you need to go, like being more tactful about things with the moon underneath, understanding that there are certain things that you need to take control of. Finances could be one of them, major ones, okay. And but you're smart enough, because you're a queen, right? So you're smart enough to kind of come out of any kind of victim energy, and tactfully you handle a situation, use your intelligence, and you make the most out of the complicated tasks. So let's see what we need to see going forward so that we get a more clear picture for my Virgos. Yeah, see, with the Fool here, which is so Aries and so Aquarian, that it is about taking that leap of faith, knowing that you're protected, knowing that you have that sense of satisfaction, knowing that whatever happens, your ethical ways of doing certain things will always earn you respect, with the Queen of Swords here, right? And it is best advisable right now to stay away from people who are not genuine to you, okay? With the Three of Cups, this could be also about discovering things for yourself in a new light. With the moon here, I feel it's more like a discovery vibe, like figuring out certain things for yourself that you never knew, and now you're realizing, okay, I have these creative talents and these creative abilities also that I never tapped into. So now you are basically turning your problems by handling them with a logical mind into solutions. Oh, what more, Michael, for my Virgos? With two, I need one, Michael. Just one. Okay. With the Seven of Swords, yeah, deceit. So this is screaming out loud that whatever has been disturbing you. See the moon here and the moon here is suddenly reflecting and giving light. So you've been getting those signs and things, and they're saying that now suddenly you are getting into that light because there is some kind of imbalance which has been going on. Okay, upcoming August would be something which would shed more light to it because you'll be aligning yourself well, because you'll be reorganizing and prioritizing and understanding what you need to cultivate so that you can invite economic stability and you can invite emotional stability too with this full energy. Okay, and when we talk about these energies, what are we really saying? We're simply saying that you are aligned with the spirit. Why? Because now you see things with a logical head. You're not standing confused because you're not okay with anybody's disapproval. You're not okay with anybody being not wise to you or not being fair to you. Okay, so whatever obstacles, difficulties you've seen or you thought were stopping you, you're saying, what, I will turn them into some kind of solutions. I'll be more tactful, I'll be more intelligent, whether it's related to the matters of the heart or it's related to your career. You're saying, what, I'm going to go forward and I'm going to ensure that I make the most out of it so that I sail out from this problem. And you're discovering new things about yourself, which is such a fabulous thing to do. They have like popped out, and I'm going to take this with the world. My goodness, big changes coming your way. Something is changing in your setup. As I said, someone maybe is coming into your life, or there's a strong rebound, or there is a change of heart, or you have dropped down, or you've come full circle with something, and now see, she's the same woman who's here in the circle, and she's the same woman who's standing on the tip of the mountain and saying, what, I am ready to take the leap of faith, and I'm no more scared. You were scared earlier. Now somehow you're not scared, and you say, what, now I recognize it all, that why whatever happened. I recognize it all as to what will give me that eternal happiness, or what will bring me fulfillment, because now you're not paying attention to this side, which is the moon, like wherein you were not sure and you were not confident about things, people, experiences, and you were like always in the fearful energy, like could be deception, that you worry, disgrace, or whatever. Now you are like at a point where you say, what, no more, I see it, I know it, and I'm going to go forward with it. So it's a superb reading, Virgos. I think that it's so full of inspiration and motivation that there's nothing else to really say. With the subconscious or with the temperance is really about confidence, it's about patience, it's about good influence, it's about knowing that there's no more frustration, there's no more impatience, there's no more conflict. And this is the best bit. This is the best bit, really. Thank you so much for watching. And if this resonates, my love, give me a like and subscribe. Okay, do watch your sun, moon, and rising. As I say, you could be dealing with a Sag, you could be dealing with strong Cancer, Pisces energy. Okay, and could be a co-air sign too. Sorry. So yeah, I need to have water. And thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, sending you so much of love, so much of light.